Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. So today's video is going to be from Urban Decay and I'm talking about the Naked Heat. So if you guys wanted to know my thoughts about this product, then please keep on watching. Luckily, I got mine as a gift from John Ray last Christmas. This is $54, Ulta, Sephora, and of course the Urban Decay website. And this is what the box packaging looks like. In my opinion, this box packaging has a lot of detail. Anywhere you look, even on the inside, there's something that is so interesting. Just like this one, for example. So this is actually the tray of the eyeshadow palette itself. I just took it out so you guys could clearly see what it looks like inside. And it is an array of like matchsticks, and at the back of that are flamed roses. It's just so beautiful, and I'm definitely gonna keep the packaging as well. Now this is the actual packaging. Now if you are a fan of Urban Decay for many years, one of the things that I like about them as well is that their packaging is always well thought of. It has a little bit of weight. It does feel very luxurious. It has a magnetic closure, and it always comes along with a large mirror as well. And of course, we're going to zoom in so you guys could see all of the eyeshadow. So you have a little bit of some metallic right over here, just a good amount of the combination of like some mattes. And if you haven't tried Urban Decay ever, their matte eyeshadows are very good. And as we all know, matte eyeshadows are quite difficult to make. Also comes along with a dual-sided applicator. I really love this because the other side is actually a blending brush. It is a very dense blending brush. Now, usually when it comes to blending brushes, I like mine a little fluffier, but you know, I like that one as well. And I really appreciate the fact that this is not a pencil brush, it is an eyeshadow brush, and I love that about that. So it's definitely one of my favorite brushes from Urban Decay for sure. Starting with the first shade, we have Ounce, that is satin. Chaser is matte. Sauced is matte. And then we have Low Blow, which is also matte. Next, we have Lumber. It is a metallic color. He Devil, which is a matte. Dirty Talk, metallic. Scorched is metallic as well. There we go. And then moving on to the last four shades, we have Cayenne and Fuego, Ashes, and lastly we have Ember. That one is a beautiful metallic color. Now, when you look at these shades, they are definitely not playing at all. You can see the pigment like completely. And the back of my hand, it doesn't have any base at all. And I'm just zooming you guys in so you can clearly see the shadows on how pigmented they are. They are so nice. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to prep my eye area. I'm not going to use any base. However, I do have a full coverage foundation, and I'm going to use Chaser all over my entire eye area as a wash color. I wanted to check and see if the eyeshadows will still stick even though we have a base color. Next, I'm going to grab a low ball and apply that on my crease. So as always, I always start from light to dark. Now it is just preference. If you next, I'm gonna grab the shade called Cayenne. I don't know. I can't. For some reason, I just can't. Sorry, you guys. English is not my first language, so please do not bully me. So I'm just applying that with, of course, the brush that is included in the kit. And I'm gonna grab this beautiful shade right over here, which is Scorched, and apply that from the inner corner of my eye just up until I meet the crease color. And I'm just so happy with these eyeshadows, you guys. They do not crumple when you're applying them. Now I'm gonna get Ashes and apply that on the outer corner to give that dimension. I just want the outer corner to be like really dark so that in the center it kind of like pops up. And also I feel like it gives like this cat eye look if I do that. And then I'm just going to stop once I am satisfied, and then I'm going to create a winged eyeliner. And then after I'm satisfied with my winged eyeliner, I'm gonna put on my Horror lashes. After that, I'm just gonna use some of the leftover eyeshadow on my lower lashes just to give a smoky look. And then that is the finished eye makeup look. Let's move on to the second look. I'm going to mix these two shades right over here, and then I'm just going to apply that again all over my entire area. Now this time I have an eyeshadow primer, and I'm also using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I could never finish it. I still have the old packaging. I know what you're gonna say, ew, but still works. And then I'm gonna grab the shade Sauce and apply that on my crease. For some reason, you know, that shade just really called out my name, so I went ahead and apply that on my crease using a Wet n Wild blending brush. Next, I'm gonna grab the shade right over here, En Fuego. I think it is really, really interesting. That vampy red is just so gorgeous. And I'm just going to build it up until I am satisfied. Next, I'm gonna grab the shade Ounce and apply that on the center of my lid. I don't want anything like super cut crease, but I want, you know, it to blend like really nicely. I don't want like a hard cut. I just want something that is a little diffused. This look is actually inspired by Christina Aguilera's movie. What is that again? Oh yeah, Burlesque. So if you notice their makeup, they focus more on like deep set type of makeup. And then after that, I'm going to apply on some liner, and I'm still going to be doing the cat eye makeup look. For some reason, I really love this look. Then I'm going to apply this shade on my lower waterline or lash line. Now we are finished with the second look. Hi everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed the two different looks that we have created for today with this palette. Overall, I did enjoy this palette. Has a lot of positive reviews as well. After I have finished playing with this palette, I just like look it up online, like, you know what, let me, out of just curiosity, let me see what other people think about it as well. And most of them are positive. It is actually 4.5 stars online, and I don't doubt that at all. I think if you guys own this palette, okay. I'll be here. I think if you guys own this palette, I'm pretty sure you guys are going to enjoy this as well. So now if you own this palette, I'm absolutely sure that you can definitely relate on how blendable this product is. I have no problem getting ready. In fact, it makes me finish like quickly. And if you guys have been following me for a really long time, if I finish quickly, and that's how you know that the eyeshadow, blends itself. The pigment is wonderful. Now, considering I have set my overall eye area with a powder and it was able to cling, and the color is still vibrant from what it is, I think it is really amazing. And sorry if my English is so rusty. I don't know what's going on with me. Every time I talk to someone in my native language, for some reason, I just tend to forget some of the words. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you still don't have this in your collection, if you think that you still have enough of the burnt oranges one, I think you guys are not going to be, upset about this palette. I think it is really amazing. The formula is excellent. Just if you plan to buy this on a discounted price, I would suggest that you guys, would sign up for like email notifications. Sometimes Ulta does these, hot buys and they have products that are 50% off. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are still not part of the Sassy family, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!